Who are the New Earth Shamans? The New Earth Shamans walk among us every day. Some are high profile, they're very active and are well known in the healing community. Others are the school bus drivers, grocery checkout clerks, moms, and your next door neighbors. The New Earth Shamans are those that are taking up the call to be healers in their communities. They are the Lightworkers, the energy healers, the Reiki masters, and so many more. The actual term shaman refers to medicine men or women who are the healers, the teachers, and the sages. It's an ancient spiritual and healing practice found throughout the Americas and all the traditional cultures in the world. Shamans teach us to develop our minds, our wills, and our own power and bring them into the world. I have discovered that even though we use different words and descriptions, the healers of the world throughout generations have had the same source. I have found that if the healing practitioner is strong in the connection and belief to the method being used, the human body is so effective as a tool of healing. All are very powerful no matter what words or language we use to define it. In this time of great need and turmoil, I believe that due to the shift that we're having in our world today, many are feeling the call of being a shaman, a minister, a healer. I believe it's a calling that is due to the new shift in the energies of the earth. We have a new earth. We live in a new time. We need more New Earth Shamans, energy workers that are aware of this shift and know how to flow with it and serve others. I believe many feel this calling, yet they're unaware of how to answer this tug in their heart. And many are in a place that I was years ago, feeling the call to minister and healing, yet feeling so out of place. This is my calling, to help you make the transformation as a healer shaman in the new earth. Each form of healing gives us a broader and deeper understanding of our connection to each other and to our world. One is not better than the other, but together are stronger and more powerful. If you are feeling the tug at your heart to minister or serve your community as a healer, then let's together find out if you are being called to be one of the New Earth Shamans.